Alright, what's up everybody? We got a quick tutorial for you today. Essentially, we're going to change the default location in Safari of where we want our downloads to go. Now, typically it goes to your downloads folder, which you can get into your system tray, but maybe you want to put it to your desktop for some reason. So what you're going to do is, with Safari open and active, go to the top menu, click Safari, Preferences. Now you're going to go to the General tab here, and from the General tab there is an option called File Download Location. You can see currently it goes to the Downloads folder. So you could also say ask for each download or other, and we're going to do other because that's what we would like to do. Now that we're in the others, what I want mine to do for this example is go to the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and select my desktop, select, and now we can see the file download location is my desktop. I know this is a Windows program, but for example, let's go ahead and download Notepad++. We can see it just downloaded. Now if I go to my desktop, we can see that it is over here on my desktop. As you can see, this was a quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and most importantly, have a great day.